welcome back once again on my show Candid with Candida. इश्टानो आयज म्हज्या सांगाताक आसा एक असल्या कलाकाराची धूव जाणें म्हाका दिसता आपल्या जिवितान वेगवेगळ्या तरेची भुमिका केल्ल्यो आसा आनी तो जावन आसा एक फाकीवंत कलाकार. ताची धूव आयज म्हज्या सांगाताक आसा म्हणजे एक प्राऊड फिलींग अशें म्हणटात तशें म्हाज्यान म्हणूंक शकता. खासगी जिवितान ताच्या नोदर मारीत जाल्यार एक आवय, एक भयण, एक फ्रेंड, एक टीचर अशे साबार तरेचे भुमिका ताणें आपल्या जिवितान आपणायल्ले आसा. नन अदर देन द फेमस डॉटर ऑफ द फेमस एक्टर रॉम टॉनीची धूव जे जावन आसा मल्टी टॅलेंटेड ऑल राउंडर एक्ट्रेस बाय Aplon Rebello आनी ताच्या सांगाताक आसा ताची आपुरबायेची आनी मोगाची धूव. शी इज ऑल्सो बोल्ड, ब्युटिफूल, स्मार्ट, ऑलवेज लायक हर मदर विच आय से, एंड अ व्हेरी टॅलेंटेड एक्ट्रेस Asmith D'cruz. येवकार आमच्या हे कार्यावळीन. सो मदर डॉटर डू आय थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन माय शो.
Yes, thank you so much.
पार्टी भयणीच्या बाराबोन हांवें पळयला. डॉटर फर्स्ट टाइम. So how are you all doing?
Good, very good.
Amazing.
And thanks for the beautiful introduction.
Thank you.
Made my day.
All right. So Aplon by Aplon जशे परी तुका लोक सगळो वखाणटा आनी तुजी जर्नी म्हाका दिसता जायती वर्सां जाली. Almost how many years? 40 years. 40 years. 40 years and still rolling.
It's still rolling.
Nice. Okay, so how is your journey from the start till date?
Fabulous.
In the field of theatre.
With God's grace, I was very fortunate and lucky enough. Everything happened to me by fluke, Tuck, 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 kunzaleni. And it went with the flow.
Okay.
And there was no turning back, no looking back. I went with the flow. But only thing is that I had to put in lot of hard work, and that's the fruit I'm enjoying today of my determination, my hard work, my methodical method, like the way I plan out things and balance with my job as a teacher and as a mother, as a wife, everything, actress. So it is really zaite. And I truly enjoyed, fortunate enough to act for the famous and ace directors, like Prem Kumar, then Rose Ferns, John De Silva, and Pashkua. Zaite sangong zaina. That day I was naming like more than about 100 with director, and I was a body director. So I learnt a lot.
What is the best part that you enjoy while doing acting?
The best part is as soon as I get my script, I get so excited. I go into the role, and then I think of my dressing. What costumes? Because I love designing my own costumes, tailoring it myself. So first thing, before learning the script, is this the costume I'm going to wear? This is the thing. Costumes along with the earrings and shoes and matching everything. That was the thing. And I enjoy it.
Okay. What else I should design koron LL?
Oh yeah. Like that,
all right, moving on to Asmith. Joshipuri हांव सदांच सांगता आनी आयज I'm telling it again, you are exactly like Xerox copy of your mother. Okay, so tell me something. तूं तुज्या आवय कडल्यान जायतें शिकलां. Okay, so do you want to continue this legacy of hers further?
Yeah, definitely I would want to carry on the legacy. I want to but try out different things, not just theatre acting, but also maybe God touch wood into films, something like that. But फकत theatrist न्हू, I am also more into my career also. I am currently working in a healthcare organization as a quality head. So as my mom theatre केला आनी teacher आसलें, so I want to continue that. I don't want to only do theatre, but I also want to focus on my career. So both.
Okay, since you are into designing clothes and all, what is fashion according to you, if I ask you?
Fashion according to me is anything that you're comfortable wearing and you look good wearing. Just because something new comes up and you just want to wear it, I don't think that is called fashion. Something that you're comfortable and something that looks good on you.
Wow, something coming from Asmith's
Right answer.
head. Right. Okay. Aplon, म्हाका एक सांग, हांव तुका आतां स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एक क्वेश्चन विचारता, because you are very well versed in answering it. I know. What is discipline? And how much does discipline matters in terms of theatre when it comes to theatre?
Discipline is the first priority that we have to give in our life. If you have discipline, everything goes smoothly. You can build up your career, you can build up a good relationship, everything goes well, if you have discipline. Discipline in the sense you need to give respect for others. You need to be very punctual. You need to be very methodical in your work, plan out, execute time to time. everything should be well organized, and you have to waste little time, little planning you have to give. And this comes as a child, you cannot have discipline within 1 or 2 days, like, no, it comes with your moral values. It's been inculcated in you by your parents. So it comes in you. It has to be in you, that discipline. All of a sudden, it doesn't come. Especially a teacher can mold a child very well. The first thing, if I want to teach anything for the students, I maintain discipline. First is discipline. If they have discipline, they're focused, they can do whatever we say.
आणि आमच्या तियात्रान डिसिप्लिन
आणि आमच्या तियात्रान तर सारकेंच डिसिप्लिन. आमच्या तियात्रान गरजेचें रिस्पेक्ट करपाक आमच्या डायरेक्टरांक टायमार येवपाचें आनी ते सांगता तें मातशें आमी आयकोंक जाय. आनी आमची लँग्वेज आमी इल्लीशी हंबल लो दवरपाक जाय. वेर टू टॉक, वॉट टू टॉक इन फ्रंट ऑफ होम. Because we are in the media, so people, they follow us, they take our example. We need to be a role model. So for that, you have to maintain yourself. Humbleness, everything.
Okay, तियात्रान जायते तुवें, you want to say anything?
To that, I wanted to add, she used to always tell me, discipline is also sacrifices. When you're in theatre, there are a lot of weddings, close functions that you have to give up on.
Right.
So she used to always tell me that if you're taking up theatre, it requires a lot of sacrifice, which you're supposed to be ready to do. So that she used to tell me.
She did that, especially for Francis, they were reporter theatre. She used to answer exams. And she knew that exams and the reporter, it was going 100%, 100 to this thing show, no? So together she was doing that reporter, and she used to study, timetable, everything was set, and accordingly she went with the flow, and she came out with flying colors. Thank God. Same time.
Okay, Zori, तर तुका विचारीत जाल्यार how did you start the theatre?
Actually, I always wanted to get in theatre. I used to like cameras, facing the camera. But I think I got my break very similar to my mother. I was substituting for somebody.
Oh, she also did
She
the same
also
thing.
substituted for somebody. I was substituting for somebody in Francis de Souza's show. So I think from there, I reporter. So from there, I think it took off.
So then it started.
Yeah, there it started.
For that, as a child artist, like once she always used to accompany me. We three together, husband, myself, and she. I always used to give quality time to her. So as I was doing the shooting for Mahanand,
Okay.
and on the spot, like they wanted a child artist, for that particular small role. And she was very young, and she home clothes she was wearing. She said, "Hey, please help, no? Let your daughter do." I said, "She don't know anything." So tennas that's clothes, and they wanted like that only. By fluke. Tennas take role korpa laile. I told her, "Baba, aise kon rod pak jay, aise kon view pak jay, and all that." And she picked up very fast. On the spot she did.
आपल्यान बाय म्हाका एक विचारपाक जाय तुवें जायते कॅरेक्टर रोल्स केल्या.
Oh.
There was one character of yours जेन्ना तुवें म्हणजे केस तुजे कातोता and what was that जावन तुवें कॅरेक्टर डेव्हलप कसो करता?
The character सांगची म्हळ्यार I had lovely bouncy long hair, very thick growth. So ते Ben evangelistan चोयलो and he used to like my hair. तुगे केस बरें दिसता आपण ते केंसाचेर बरयतले आनी तेणे एक प्लॉट केलो आनी ते केंसाचेर बरयलो वे मॅक्सी येता कीड तियात्रान एंट्री मारता दॅट्स माय फर्स्ट शो डेब्यू शो आनी एक केस बांदलोले आसता वयल्यान बॉल उडयता तो काडपाक हांव जप कोडोवंक घातला आनी सट्टको केस पडटाय देन इट इज अ डायलॉग चेडवांची खूब सरती म्हणल्यार ब्युटी लायज इन हर हेर आनी मागीर काजार जातकूच कितें करता मुगेली आमची मत फूट घालपाक फातिमा बेस्ट एक्टर ते केस कातोता मुद्दम ताका कितें तेगेले जीव आसता केसाचे तेन्ना स्टेजीर येवन ते चाक 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 करून अशें करून केस कातून सगळे उडयता लोक न्हू सारको फील जाता रोडटा
What was the name of the theatre?
कीड बेन एवंजेलिस्ट आनी तेन्ना अशें करून तकली वयर काडल्यार फोड्डो यावदान केस ओद्दे
बरेच केस कातत जाल्यार हो
that was the trick we played, आनी तो शो मागीर मुज फाटल्यान आनी दुसऱ्या एक्ट्रेसान पोतून केलो तो But this part, I just went to see whether they could do it. Zauna couldn't. No, even that she was a very good actress. But this particular show,
Okay.
I'm very good at playing tricks like this. Even with my costumes and all. On the spot, I'll keep on changing 3, 4, 5 with one costume only.
Or Ashmi, have you ever tried imitating or doing mimicry of your mama? Have you tried?
I have, especially at home, Garakode Nami Kottats. But no, I cannot mimic her as much.
Okay.
But usually it comes when I'm a little annoyed. That time I will mimic her.
Okay, what are your future plans now?
Mine.
Yeah, both of you.
Mine, I'll just continue with this theatre. I have 2, 3 this project in my hand. I'll continue. Munchan Mutne, you have to go as long as you can do the work. And mostly even in the theatre means you maintain yourself. Get the
Right.
energy, everything. Thoughts are there, no? Good thoughts flow.
Okay.
So I'll continue with whatever work.
Ashmeet side.
Whenever I get an opportunity, I will do it. But I'm also currently in Bangalore. So when I come here, if I get a gig, I will do it. But otherwise,
Alright.
yeah.
Okay, all the very best to your future
Thank
endeavors.
you.
And
Thank
now
you
we
so
are
much.
moving on with something interesting. Okay, it's coming in your way.
Okay.
now. Okay, and you need to be very, 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 very spontaneous in doing that.
I get
Okay.
scared
Are
of
you all
this.
ready?
I get scared of this.
I
I'm
am ready.
excited,
Yes.
ready, and at the same time, a little bit nervous.
Nervous.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Yes, sure.
All right, so now we are starting with the acting game.
Oh,
So, are you all ready?
Yes.
Can you see something here?
Phone.
There's a
See,
phone.
phone,
So that's
the
going to be your
glasses, yeah.
phone.
oh, my
Okay?
phone.
And who will start first? Who should I start with, you or your daughter?
You tell me. Anything.
Anything is fine.
Upon you?
Okay, fine.
Okay. Your theme will be तुझे चिड़वाक सोयरी कहता.
Oh,
You need to pretend, get in that character,
Yeah.
and you need to talk to your daughter on the phone. You need to assume that on the phone your
Yeah.
daughter is talking to you.
oh,
Okay? So you need to get her answer. You will get 1 minute.
oh, done.
Okay? So take the phone. No, once again. You need to start how the phone rings. Take the. You need to give the tone
Ah,
and everything. Phone bonds a lot. Tadan tadan bond. Okay?
start.
So start. So your time starts now.
Tring, 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 tring. Oh, phone. Oh, it's you. Ah, my baby. Hello, Baba. Hello, Ashmeet. Raja, are you free? I want to talk to you. Something very important, something very serious, something about nice, lovely things which I've been waiting for. Baba, एक बड़ी proposal ले लिया. Are you listening? Hello? Ah, okay. He's handsome, tall, decent. Oh, yeah. So, education. Okay, he's well qualified. And what else do you need? You want to see him? Okay. And what else? Okay. You're ready to marry, but you want time, you want space, you want to see the boy, you want to go out with him, you want to talk to him. That's fine, yeah.
All right,
Of
your
course.
time's up. Done. Is this the way you're going to react?
Yes.
Yeah.
Same way.
This is how I actually react. I'll ask her multiple questions actually whenever she'll come up with something like this.
First, think about education.
Education.
Nice. Okay,
That's the
moving on
thing,
to
yeah.
Ashmeet now.
Okay.
It's your turn. Your theme will be ration. Garakode ration, grocery, sagle kaba zala. You're going to the shop.
Okay.
You're calling your mama what all you need. Okay? So are you ready for it?
Okay.
Your time starts now.
Hello, Mama. Yeah, I've come to the grocery store. What do you need? Tell me faster. Sugar? Arey, it is there now on top over there. It is there. I will tell you where it is. Huh. What else? Onions. Okay, fine. How much onion you need? Mama, that and all I don't know, okay. Potato? Okay, fine. I'm buying some Nutella also. You want? Big jar. Big jar I'm buying. Okay. Chocolates? Silk. Hazelnut. Okay, fine. Okay. Groceries, you tell me, Mama. What do you want groceries mein? Cadbury I'm buying, Mama. What else do you need? Okay, fine. Ice cream also I will get. Okay, chalo, bye. Done.
Before 1 minute, you finished it up, man. Are you trying to tell a grocery item or the shopping for chocolate?
This is what we actually do.
Normally she does. Forget about grocery item with chocolates, Nutella, all
This
those
is what
things
we do.
stuff.
So we go grocery
dumb.
shopping and we end up buying all this. Then my dad has to go and actually buy the actual grocery.
My
which is
God,
there.
yeah, mother, daughter, duo. Wonderful. Okay,
Lot
now
of
we are
trouble.
moving on with something which, many of the artists get scared of.
Okay.
It's called a rapid fire round.
Okay.
But in this, there's going to be some nice thing which is going to happen. Because maga gomtele, mother, daughter, eka meka kitni jana pai thi. So, I'll start with Ashmeet.
Yeah.
Okay? Ashmeet, what was your mom wearing yesterday?
Clothes.
What clothes? I know clothes. What clothes?
Top.
Top. What color?
Blue.
Blue. Sure?
Yeah.
Sure.
White blouse, yes, but blue print.
Okay,
Yes,
all
and
right.
the skirt also
She
with
got
blue
it something.
print. Yes.
Okay, what is your mom's
She only
dream
chose it for me.
vacation?
Sorry?
ड्रीम वेकेशन
Switzerland.
स्वित्झर्लंड
Yeah.
तुझ्या आवयचे आवडीचे कांतार खंयचे
Dode.
दोडे
Yeah.
ओके तुझ्या आवयचो फेवरेट टीव्ही शो
TV show. Nimi.
No,
सॉरी
TV show. This is
TV show.
या टीव्ही शो एनी टीव्ही शो
She watches this Candid
Oh, my show.
She actually does.
Thank you so much.
I enjoy
Okay,
it.
your mother's favorite book.
Book.
She has any?
you know,
She reads a lot.
Barbara
There was
Kaplan's,
one Midnight Sky or something.
Other Side of Midnight.
Other Side of Midnight.
Or any Barbara Kaplan's books.
Huh.
The
Okay.
romance
What
book
is your
or
mother's favorite form of exercise?
a wisdom book.
Exercise.
She,
Walking.
Yeah.
which sport does or did mom plays?
What sport she
Yeah.
played?
Which is the one? Any sport that she plays or she doesn't?
Yeah.
I don't know.
All
this.
sort of kabaddi, football, everything.
Okay.
Everything.
All- okay.
Okay. In what is your mother good at?
My moms are all rounder actually. She's good at everything.
तुझ्या आवय चडशी खंयची word sentence चड वापरता?
Baba,
Okay. What does mom loves most about you?
most about me. That I tell her everything.
ओके एक ॲक्टिव्हिटी जी तुका आणि तुझ्या आवयक सांगातान करूंक चड आवडटा
Singing.
ओके वॉट इज द नायसेस्ट थिंग मॉम सेड टू यू एवर
She keeps saying a lot of nice things to me, but she said, whatever you do in life, I will support you.
वाओ अ कॉमन डायलॉग योर मॉम यूज फॉर शाउटिंग एट यू
She doesn't shout.
वाओ
Without shouting, she will
Such
shout.
an amazing
Silent,
mother.
silent shouting.
Silent killer. Was it like
No,
like that?
she will not talk.
Okay. Craziest thing you have ever done to your mom?
Sorry.
Craziest thing you have ever done to your mom?
I take her videos when she's not looking.
Okay. तुझ्या आवय लागच्यान तुका बेस्ट गिफ्ट आयज पासून खंयचो मेळलो
She being my mother actually.
बेस्ट क्वालिटी तुझ्या आवयची that you like to adopt from her?
She's very methodical.
Compare the words love and mom.
Equivalent, I think.
तुझ्या आवयचो फोन नंबर बाय हार्ट
9823240637.
Wow! Nice one, yeah. All right, moving on to Aplon now. आता एक अशें जातलें.
Yeah.
Asmith has to ask the questions to you.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm ready for
So
this.
she's gonna be a host in a way.
Oh.
So are you all ready?
Yes.
You know your mother quite well, okay? Let's see. How much does the mother knows?
knows.
the daughter?
Jesus.
So here it is.
Okay.
Your time starts now.
What was my favorite thing to do when I was growing up?
Growing up, favorite thing to do. Used to study, used to imitate everything that I used to do.
Okay. What did I want to be when I grew up?
Doctor.
Wow.
मुझे स्कूल favorite teacher कौन?
That Rose, when you were very young.
Yeah. मुझे favorite childhood memory.
Favorite childhood memory तुझी Christmas day सगळी नेवरी करपाक दवरलेली पीठ बा आख्खे सगळी पीठ काडून आपली तकलेर घालून आणि Christmas father केस उभा she spoiled everything but that was the cutest thing I enjoyed.
Yeah. मुझे आवडीची theatre stage artist actor कौन? Actor actress.
तुझी
Mine favorite.
used to love the way Felsie sings.
Yeah. And what trendy thing did I wear as a teenager that I want no one to know about now?
Oh God, matching purses, matching shoes, like whatever I used to do on the stage, that she would carry with her also. And she would cry, no, I want this only, but no this. And she would go out with that. If we turn and see now,
Yeah. Which of my parent did I think was stricter?
it's me.
You don't
silent
have
stricter.
to answer this.
Silent stricter. I would never say no to her, but it was always a no with the reasoning out.
Yeah.
Okay. Of all our family, who has a personality that is similar to mine?
All our family.
Yeah.
Me, of course.
Yeah. How kona bashin dista oshe lok munta?
Sometime Daddy Bashin Distamanta, sometime Munch Bashin
Mama
Dista.
bashin. Yeah, both. What's one activity that I love doing with you?
Singing, of course, and she loves to cook also along with me. Certain dishes, very perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you
And
had
maintaining the house, perfect, everything in its place. That's the best quality. She took it from me.
if you had to live with me in old age, what would be our biggest challenge?
Bigger challenge, you'll have to treat me
Our
as
biggest challenge,
You
yeah.
have to treat me as a small baby, like how I treat you till date, like a small baby.
That is true. Okay. Good answers.
Thank you.
Mozo, worst haircut, Quinzo.
It was the worst haircut. Every time it was a good haircut because I used to take care of it, and she has nice bouncy hair. But only once when you colored, that was the worst thing. So till date now, I accompany her
Yeah.
wherever she goes.
Like yesterday.
Yesterday.
Which is one food that I would never want to eat again.
It again, there are a lot of things that you have to. You,
You
don't
should.
like bananas.
Yeah.
And I force her to eat bananas till date.
Yeah.
That's the best thing.
Which is one such household chores that I hate doing.
Hate doing is washing utensils.
Correct.
Because of her nails.
Nails. What's my favorite outfit?
Favorite outfit is whatever I choose for you. She just loves it. She says, "Mommy, you choose, I'll wear."
I don't have a favorite outfit. Sokalche how kitlyang kutta?
Oh, this is a little bit difficult question. Here I have to pamper her.
I know.
And so if I want to go somewhere like today, 11 it was. I told her 10:30.
Okay.
So I have to fix it that way.
एक उतर जे हांव चड आनीक सदांच वापरता.
So and so this with the mama, 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 mama. And if I'm irritated, then dada.
Gora
She says,
what's
dada, my love.
You have to complete the sentence. Gora what's na zalyar?
Gora.
What's?
Means go home.
Yeah.
Complete the
Gora
sentence.
what's na zalyar?
Nazalyar kaduk zatalo.
Wow. Perfect answers, mother
Thank you so
daughter.
much.
Yeah. All right. Okay, thank you so much for playing this round also very well. I want to ask you something. Do you all ever fight?
Fight.
Fight.
Oh, Jesus.
She's
boxing.
always fighting with me.
Boxing on the
She's-
bed, we box, we
Yeah.
do, and we throw each other down till
Okay.
date.
With
And
our
then
legs.
poor dada, he shouts.
And she fights with me for chocolates.
Wow, nice.
She hides.
A mother
She
fighting
hides.
with the daughter for chocolates. Okay, do you share clothes?
We do.
Of course.
We do. When I'm not in Goa, she will wear my clothes from my cupboard.
And till date, my trendy things, whatever were not fitting me, she's wearing. Stylish.
Amazing time with you all.
I can tell you one thing now, right now.
Excuse me.
The dress is yours?
No.
It
No.
happens like that.
All right,
Yes.
okay. Now we'll do
But and
something.
it fits her very well.
Okay.
Yeah, it
Because all my trendy things, now I'm put on weight since
Okay,
COVID.
so
year.
now it's all moving on to Ashmit.
Yeah,
Okay.
And she's lucky enough to win.
lucky now.
Okay, so now we are moving with something interesting. I had really nice time with you all talking
Thank
and
you so
chatting.
much.
Okay,
Same here.
You know, there are 3 glasses of water here. So the name of the game is Fill the Cup.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll explain you the rules and regulations of this game. So are you all ready to play this game?
Yes,
Yeah,
of course.
sure.
Anything.
Okay, let's. All right, so the name of the game is Fill the Cup.
Okay.
Okay. तिंगा 3 cups हा 2 cupsani उदक हा ग्लासानी
Yeah.
1 glass empty हा it's with little water filled
Yeah.
with little water the middle one so एक एकल्यान तुम्ही टॉप अप करपाचें उदक घालीत रावपाचें the last person has to be very careful
Yeah.
that glass shouldn't pour the water out like
Okay,
उदक
yeah.
भायर सरपा दिवपा उपकारना
Okay.
the moment the water comes out from the glass
Yeah.
you lose it
Okay, fine.
so are you all ready
Yeah, you
Yes.
start it.
she's very set with the cushion and all in her hand
Yes. I need to be comfortable.
Okay, very comfortable. So your time starts now. Come on. What is happening now? So clever she is. Okay. This is the most trickiest part of this game. Drop by drop.
Okay. You throw,
No.
mummy.
No,
No,
this-
no, it's not. No. I think I'm gonna lose now.
It's falling down.
No.
It did.
No.
No, 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 it's not.
Please,
It's
no.
not. It's not. My God, she's very smart. No, this is cheating. You have to throw it like that.
You should have said that before. You should have said that before. You did not. You said just pour the water.
Okay, you're
So I put
using
the
that
water.
trick. Again a drop.
This is cheating.
Okay,
One time
okay,
was fine. Huh?
okay.
Now no cheating.
The water is still not coming down, Ben.
It did.
No, Baba.
no,
From
no,
here.
no. It has to
And
pour.
now, yeah.
Now it's going to pour.
Oh.
Now
Come
what are
on.
you going to do?
Come on, mummy.
It came.
It came.
It came. I won! Anyway,
Anyway, happy for you,
I'm
happy
gonna
for
get the
you.
takeaway gift.
She
Well
deserves
played,
it.
yeah. Well played. Well played.
She has a lot of patience nowadays.
Well played. Nice, nice. All right, this is the last part, which I don't like doing it, but I have to do it because of the time. Okay, so thank you so much. कालजंतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमकां दोगांयकूय कारण तुमी तुमचो मोलादीक वेळ आमकां दिलो आनी हांगासर रायली आनी आमकां एक संदी दिली तुमची मुलाकात घेवंक म्हण कालजंतान देव बरें करूं and I really had a nice time with you both.
Same here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for bringing us here.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you one thing from bottom of my heart. This is one of the best show that I and my friends, they enjoy. It's not boring, you know, you feel like watching it again and again. This is the best one. And you are doing a great, fabulous job with your flow of questions and flow, the games, innovative things that you do. I appreciate. God
Thank
bless
you so much.
I had a lot of fun.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
All the
much.
very best to your future endeavors. And before
Thank you.
leave, this is for you all. I know
Thank
Ashmit is the
you.
winner, but I'm biased.
That is also for me.
I want her to
Thank
be the
you
winner.
so much.
Thank you.
सगळ्यांक तुमकां आमची कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक चडांत चड देव बरें करूं. पडत रावात प्रुडंट मिडियाचेर कॅन्डिड विथ कॅन्डिडा.